Was it a length to drive? No. What length do we drive, AADHavan? Ones that we can get. What foot should be close to the ball to drive? Our left foot. So if we can't drive it, look to defend, or if it's missing the stumps, we don't need to play at it, do we? Keep watching it. Good. Pick nice and straight. Wait for the ball. Hitting it a bit early. Pick the right length. Unlucky. Okay, keep waiting for it, AADHavan. Wait for it, play it very late. Play it much later. All right, good. You played it late, so it went down. You nicked it, but it went down. It didn't carry to slip. Move your toes back a bit. Yeah, ready? Good one. Keep leaning towards the ball. AADHavan, lean to the ball. Ooh. Keep working. Hey! Did you nick it? Yeah, ready? Don't worry, keep watching the ball. Try and get that left foot close to the ball. Better. Good shot, lovely shot. Watch your balance. Get those feet a little bit wider, AADHavan, yeah. Weight on your front foot. Hold that head still, remember, hold still. Well played. And again, hold still. Make sure that head's not bobbling. Good. Shouldn't have bowled you, should it? Should have hit that. So you got your left foot slightly outside the ball. Yeah, so not outside it, sorry, inside it, and then it left a big gap, that was all. Unlucky. Unlucky, don't worry, keep that left elbow high. Work hard with that figure 9. AADHavan, we come slightly across it, yeah? Try and hit it back where it came from. Try and hit the ball, toes level. Good. Good. Leaning into it, smell the ball. Head over it, AADHavan, head over it. Better. Good. AADHavan, make sure you got that right elbow going down the back of the bat for me, yeah? Yeah. Get that right elbow down the back of the bat and you'll find it easier for a bat path. Your bat path will come through a little bit easier. All right, tight leave that one. Woo. Good shot. Good shot, lovely. Leaning towards the ball, smell it, smell that ball. Good. Couple more. There's some really good drives. Didn't get our foot there, AADHavan, did we? A little bit too far away from it, okay? Try and get that left foot a little bit closer to the ball. Ready? Working hard. Better. What happened there? Went under the bat, didn't it? Like a Yorker, wasn't it? Don't worry. Keep working. Where did your head go? Yeah, can you feel it? Head over your front foot, AADHavan. Head over that front foot. Watch the ball. Keep still. Better. Much better. Don't move until you pick up the line and length of the ball. Don't move. Pick up the line and length, and then you go. Couple more. Good one. Better. Better. Good. 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 Toes level, good. Hold your head still. Look at me, show me your face. All of your face, yeah. Better. And again, show me your face. Good, look over that left shoulder. Better. And again. Good. Last one. Good one. Right, up you come. Keep pads off, we're bowling. You remember how many